Our geographic project name is Northeastern. Hello friends, my name is Sanchi Kamlesh Zadhu. Northeast India. Northeast India is the easternmost region of an India representing both geographical and political region of a country. It comprises 8 states: Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura and Sikkim.
Hello friends, my name is Shravani. Today I am going to tell you about Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. The nature of Arunachal Pradesh states from snow-capped mountains in the north to the Brahmaputra Valley in the south. Arunachal is the largest state area-wise in the northeastern region, even larger than Assam, which is the most populous. It is a land of lush green forest, deep rivers, valleys and beautiful plateaus. On the other side, Arunachal is also famous for its food like bamboo shoot, pika pille, laktar, pehak and momos. The main festival of Arunachal Pradesh is Solang, which is celebrated on September 1 every year. It is an agro-based festival as well as it reflects socio-religious features of the people. Other than food, Arunachal Pradesh is famous for its traditional dresses, which includes shawls, wraps and skirts.
Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India covering an area of 78,438 km, which is 2.39% of the total geographical area of the country. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Assam can be broadly divided into three physiographical domains, that is the Brahmaputra Valley, the Central Assam Hill and the Barak Valley. Assam has a subtropical climate. The average annual rainfall of Assam varies from 1,500 mm to 3,700 mm, and the average annual temperature of Assam ranges from 5 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Brahmaputra is a major river draining the state. The state has 27 districts, among which 19 are tribal districts and 3 are hill districts. As per the 2011 census, the Assam has population of 31.21 million, accounting to 2.58% of the total population of the country. Assam has urban, rural and tribal population of 14.10%, 85.90%, and 12.45% respectively. Assam is known for its wildlife sanctuaries and Kaziranga National Park. Assam is famous for its festival Bihu and also for its dish Luchi.
Friends, myself Purva Sukad from Naindi, Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Chavangkat. Traditional dresses wear in Manipur are in Phali and Fanek. All Manipur women wear the costumes. Fanek is worn like a sari.
Meghalaya. Meghalaya, the state of Meghalaya is a part of biodiversity hotspot of India. The Nokrek Biosphere Reserve in the West Garo Hills and the Balparam National Park in the South Garo Hills are biodiversity research. In fact, the Nokrek has the first species of citric fruits in the world, has thick forests rich with flora and fauna. Principal language of Meghalaya are Khasi, Panar and Garo with English as the official language of the state. It was the initiative of Christian missionaries that the Khasi, Panar and Garo language and literature have developed and emerged in the list of modern Indian language. Staple food is rice. They also take fish and dry fish as a part of their non-vegetarian diet. Their meal is incomplete without meat and their most favorite meat is pork. Famous traditional dress is Jainsam for women and is made up of mulberry silk. Over the Jainsam, they wear cotton shawls. Their important festival is Vangala festival. It is a post-harvest festival celebrated to mark the end of the agricultural year. It is Thanksgiving festival to the god of fertility.
Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agratala. The state is also rich in natural gas, deposit glass sands, limestones, plastic clay, and hard rock. The state offers tourist attractions such as historical Hindu and Buddhist sites, temples, rivers, and rock. Durga Puja is the main festival celebrated in Tripura. It is held on the last day of a month of Chaitra. celebrated as a harvest festival by the ethnic tribals. The famous food of Tripura is Moi Burak. The traditional costume for men in Tripura is towel, which is known as a Rikuto Gamcha, and woman costume is Risa.
Hi, my name is Tanishka Sameer Nevse. Today I am going to tell you about Nagaland. So, Nagaland capital is Kohim. Nagaland is largely a mountainous state. The Naga Hills rise from Brahmaputra Valley in Assam to about 610 meters and rise further to the southeast as high as 1800 meters. Nagaland, the food of Nagaland is known for its unique variety and taste. The main ingredients of Nagaland foods are bamboo shoots, anshi, and fermented dry fish. Nagaland's traditional dresses. Nagaland have a lot of traditional dresses like lohe, a traditional shawl of Angami tribe.
Thank you so much for watching our video.